Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The Congress netas went hammer and tongs against the Central Vista project despite the Delhi High Court and the Supreme Court declaring it as a project of national importance. But its very own government in Rajasthan has decided to splurge rupees 266 crores for constructing a plush MLA hostel and flats for MLAs at 266 crore rupees. As the construction for this accommodation complex begins, the BJP is justifiably now questioning the hypocrisy of the Congress party that objected to the Central Vista Avenue work, citing misplaced priority in pandemic times. BJP asks, why is it that those who dubbed a vital project Moti Mahal and a criminal waste of public money are now splurging on luxurious 4-bedroom, 3,200 square feet area with pool and everything included apartments for legislators? A cornered state government in its defense says that it was planned during the BJP rule. Listen in to the face-off.
आज आप राजस्थान में एमएलएज के लग्जरी क्वार्टर बना रहे हो, उनमें करोड़ों रुपया खर्च कर रहे हो और उसी समय पे कर रहे हो। तो आप जिस बात का 7 दिन पहले तक विरोध कर रहे थे, आज आप खुद वो काम कर रहे हो। आप जो पहले सेंट्रल विस्टा का विरोध कर रहे थे, वो उसके पीछे आपका एजेंडा था, उसके पीछे मोदी जी की सरकार को बदनाम करने का आपका एजेंडा था।
पहले ये प्लान बीजेपी के शासन में ही बना था, आपकी जानकारी नहीं होता, आप पता लगा लेना। एमएलएज को जब जीर्ण शीर्ण आवास हो गए तो क्या राज्य सरकार की ड्यूटी नहीं है कि विधायक को रहने के लिए जगह दी जाए? ये तो हमारा अधिकार है।
And the irony, ladies and gentlemen, is that the Congress, which called the Central Vista a vanity project, today calls these 160 MLA flats as a vital project. And that brings me to the legitimate question on the News Hour tonight. Is luxury MLA Mahal not vanity of the Rajasthan Sarkar? That's the question and the debate coming up. Congress Vista duplicity. That's the hashtag and the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
I want to ask you, Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha, you know how the government was panned by the Congress party. Daily tweets, at least a couple from Jairam Ramesh, a few from Rahul Gandhi, and of course Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and of course the entire entourage after that. Everybody tweeting their objection to the Central Vista. When it is a development project, all the numbers and the facts that were stated about 20,000 crores that were being spent, all wrong. The government has explained it was 1,100 crores. I have no problem with development activity going on in Rajasthan as well, or in Maharashtra where the Manora flats are being made. Great. People should get jobs and people should carry on this development activity. But to completely condemn it in New Delhi and actually do a Bhumi Pujan in Jaipur, that clearly is a hypocrisy that you have to explain to the country today on why do you say one thing and do the exact opposite.
Navika, I think there are 2 points to the response. Number one, it is about, as you rightly mentioned, about your public propriety, your political ethics or morality. Now, I can tell you we are comparing apples and oranges, or probably apples and atom bombs here. I'm not talking about just the size of the Rajasthan project for the MLAs being 266 crores, or the Central Vista, which I have read in reports, is as high as 20,000 crores by the time it will be completed. I don't know how much they've spent today. So, but the critical answer here is that, as far as the central government is concerned, it is being questioned, and I think it's a legitimate question. And I'm not getting into the architectural design or the choice of the contractor, blah, blah. But the larger issue when India is at the moment probably going through its worst phase of human depravity, death and despair, does it behoove the central government to indulge in a project that doesn't seem to have any real purpose unless the government announces that we want to expand the size of the Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha? That's my very basic point. As far as the Rajasthan government is concerned, it is probably, as you heard somebody say, they are trying to do their own expansion, which was perhaps cleared earlier. But the fundamental point is that the central government has a responsibility of responding to a crisis that is affecting not just Rajasthan, but the people of India. And look at Rajasthan's numbers. They're opening up. They have managed to do a reasonably good job of battling through the second phase of the coronavirus. So I would definitely say that Mr. Modi's government needs to recognize that end of day, the size of the project, and more importantly, is it an essential service? I mean, there are people who are working there, Navika, who have had COVID. There are reports of people living in terrible working conditions. I mean, the government has a responsibility. If you ask me, they're normally very good at the atmospheric optics.
I completely agree. I completely agree with you that the government has a responsibility, but does only the central government have a responsibility? The state governments are made without any responsibility.
No,
they can
everyone
call the
has it.
Central Vista vanity, and they can call the MLA hostel or MLA apartments as vital. Shehzad Poonawalla, do you buy that argument?
देखिए, एक हिंदी में कहावत है, हाथी के दांत खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग। संजय झा क्योंकि बॉम्बे, साउथ बॉम्बे से हैं, तो इनके लिए है माय डॉगी इज टॉमी एंड हिज डॉगी इज डॉगी। देखो, पार्लियामेंट, जो नई पार्लियामेंट की रिकमेंडेशन जयराम रमेश ने की, स्पीकर साहिबा का पत्र टाइम्स नाउ पर एक्सक्लूसिवली आपने चलाया, जो 2012 से बहुत इमरजेंसी यूज चाहिए उसका, सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट दोनों ने कहा इट्स एसेंशियल, उसको संजय झा कहते हैं सी दिस इज नॉट एसेंशियल, बट लग्जूरियस फ्लैट 3,200 square feet, 4 bedroom with servant quarter which is bigger than my own house and has swimming pool and has big garden, that is essential. It is essential for survival of Rajasthan government. Maharashtra MLA hostel is essential for survival of Maharashtra government, and it is international auditorium का भी कल भव्य हिपोक्रेसी के साथ भव्य शिलान्यास हुआ, that is also essential, क्योंकि राजस्थान करे तो चमत्कार और केंद्र पार्लियामेंट बनाए तो गुनेगार। संजय झा, वाह, ये सस्पेंशन फ्रॉम मोरालिटी, ये कब से सीखा आपने?
Navika, my short response
Sanjay Jha.
my short response to Shehzad is, listen, I live in South Mumbai and I don't apologize for it, okay? You may live wherever you want, that's your problem. My larger focus of the response is this. And let's not get into these ad hominem attacks on each other and where we live and whether I play tennis or golf. I have every right, as everybody in this country, to comment on the issues that matter to me as a citizen of India. And I do believe that Mr. Modi's government is committing political harakiri. And listen, Shehzad, you bat for the BJP. I'm telling you something, and I'm advising Mr. Modi's government for free. I'm giving some unsolicited free advice to Mr. Modi's government. You are committing political suicide with the Central Vista project. And I'm actually...
I have a small question. भाई, principle रखो तो एक रखो. You also follow it and expect others also to follow it.
Sure.
Sujata Paul, isn't that fair? You said Central Vista is bad and it should not be done at the time of a pandemic because it sends out a perception issue of wasteful expenditure when there are people dying in the country. You said that about the center. And the Prime Minister's, 1 minute, I have not asked the question. The Prime Minister's Modi Mahal, that was christened Modi Mahal by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, followed up by the entire Congress party, is not even part of the agenda to be built. But MLA Mahal bahut zaruri hai. This is called hypocrisy, Congress style. This only the Congress can do. Because they can, aapko path padhayenge, they will call you chor. And then after that, they will do the same thing. Kamal hai, Sujata Paul. How do you do this with a straight face?
First point, is this at the expense of the vaccination? Is this at the expense of the vaccination policy? No. Yes. This is exactly what the government of India wants. Modi ji wants lockdown to be imposed only under extreme conditions. Sab kuch unke hisab se ho raha hai. Why should there be a problem? But the problem is there because the bhavyata should be there only when Modi ji is concerned. But bhavyata cannot come to Rajasthan. This is India and this is a federal country.
Oh, so you are saying... So you are saying भव्यता का शौक आपको है तो फिर मोदी जी को क्यों क्लेम करते हो, भव्यता का शौक आपको भी है तो कहिए ना, घुमा फिरा के क्यों कहते हो? एंड गौरव भाटिया, सुजाता पॉल्स आर्ग्यूमेंट इज दिस इज नॉट बीइंग डन एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वैक्सीन्स. Is the Central Vista being done at the cost of vaccines, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia? Respond to her.
The Supreme Court has
Navika,
asked for 35,000 crore.
I've been taught as a lawyer that certain arguments were made, and if they are not good on merits, we should not respond to them. So I'll not respond to that. But let me say this very clearly on Times Now. What is right is right is right. And irrespective of the fact, the hypocrisy of Congress being exposed by this construction. Let me tell my friend Sanjay, and I know Sanjay Bhai has the IQ to understand my arguments. I would not have dared to do this with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The Constitution, Sanjay Bhai, under Article 81 says that Parliament will be the seat for the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha members. The current building does not have the space, and if we need to expand it to what the Constitution says, we need a larger building. Second, it is not Modi Mahal. Rather, I know of a Moti Mahal. Moti Mahal kahan hai? Motilal Nehru Memorial hai. So Modi Mahal na kahiye. This is Janta ke sapno ka mandir, the temple of democracy. And Sanjay bhai, you will appreciate, in a country which believes in rule of law, when the Supreme Court found no merit with the political interest litigation filed by certain people, the High Court rejected it with cost over the litigants. I think somewhere we have to put to rest the matter and have faith in the executive led by the Prime Minister as well as the judiciary of the country. खाता न बही जो राहुल गांधी कहे वो सही, वो राजनीति खत्म हो चुकी है. प्लीज चिल्लाइए मत मैडम, प्लीज चिल्लाइए मत, प्लीज चिल्लाइए मत मैडम. आप चिल्लाएंगे नहीं. पहले तो मैं आपके यहाँ कोई रिलेटिव नहीं हूँ. Nobody gives you the right to shout at me. Please, nobody gives you the right to shout. Navika, please come to my rescue. ये क्या हो रहा है आपके चैनल पे? क्यों चिल्ला रही हैं ये? राहुल गांधी का मैसेज आ गया.
सुजाता पॉल, आप बनाइए वहां एमएलएज के अपार्टमेंट्स भी बनाइए, महाराष्ट्र में हॉस्टल भी बनाइए. हम रोक नहीं रहे आपको. रोक रहे हैं तो सिर्फ झूठ बोलने से रोक रहे हैं, ये कहने से रोक रहे हैं कि एक जगह जो एक चीज आप क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं तो दूसरी तरफ वो मत मॉडल फॉलो करिए, कुछ नया करिए, कुछ नया करिए. दैट इज द ओनली पॉइंट वी आर मेकिंग. I believe that when the economy is going through a low phase, construction activity is the best activity. It provides jobs and it makes a moving economy with bricks and cement and all sorts of things coming in as inputs into this construction. It will rev up the economy. So build more. एमएलए हॉस्टल सिर्फ मत बनाइए, गरीबों के लिए घर भी बनवाइए. एमएलए हॉस्पिटल को अगर आप वाइटल कह रहे हैं तो फिर सेंट्रल विस्टा को वैनिटी मत कहिए. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. The problem is that your definition changes, your criticism changes, and your dharma changes when it comes to you. And when it is done by somebody else, they're accusatory. बरे बाबा इतनी outrage, ये क्यों कर दिया, मोदी महल कहां से बन गया? अरे भैया फैक्ट चेक कर लो, नहीं बना. हाँ, नहीं बना सुजाता जी, इतना नाराज मत होइए, बनाइए.
जी, मैं तो ये कह रही हूँ कि हम तो वो कर रहे हैं जो मोदी जी चाहते हैं. Modi ji wants the economy to be opened up. We should welcome it. And exactly because this will give jobs to people. मगर God brain अगर आप होंगे तो आपको ये समझ में कैसे आएगा? Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, the Rajasthan government is doing exactly what Mr. Modi wants because Mr. Modi is the Prime Minister of the country. You should welcome it instead of condemning it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this finger pointing is really something that should be put behind us. It is time for soul searching for the nation, to look at solutions to problems, and for political parties to actually worry about their relevance. Because after the second wave, people are asking questions. What is relevant is facilities for the common man and survival of the common man. And what is not relevant is political infighting and blame game. Learn this. I think all political parties need to learn this before people make them completely irrelevant. Break.